Hi, this is Jiale. I'm going to illustrate the data visualization and processing of our project. And firstly, we collect our data from the Kaggle and the task named the HR Analytics, the job change of the data scientists. And then I would like to introduce the data explorations of our project. The data site contains like 15 variables and the numbers of the observations is 8,955. And the type of the variables contain the categorical, numerical, and bool. And this picture shows the correlation between the variables of the data site. And specifically, we can find that the independent variable, the city development index, is highly correlated with the dependent variable target. And this is also affects the analysis in our modeling part, and we deal with the issue by performing the bootstrapping and the feature insertion. Finally, I would like to introduce the data preparation of our project. Initially, we dealt with the missing values. The missing values account for a large proportion in this data set, and the number of the observations contains the missing value is 10,203. We try to use three different methods to fill in the missing values. And firstly, we directly delete the records with the missing values and leaving like 8,878 rows. And secondly, using the model to fill the categorical variables. And thirdly, using the random forest algorithm to fill the missing values. We did it with the help of the RF input method in R. After analyze the prediction accuracy result of the three methods, we use the direct deletion method since it has the highest accuracy, which is like 87%. Then we do the data transformation. Firstly, we drop the city and enroll ID columns. City column is associated with the city development index, and the enroll ID has no relation with the target we want to predict. And secondly, since some variables include both the continuous and categorical features, we first convert these indicators to numerical values, and then use the binning method to discretize and reduce the dimensionality. And these variables include the experience, the last new job, company size. And for the continuous features, we do the normalization and keep two decimal places. And finally, we change those like 9 categorical variables into the dummy variables. And finally, we deal with the data imbalance problem. We found that the target variable distribution of the data set is unbalanced, and the number of the records with target equal to 0 is 3 times of the target equal to 1. And the distribution of the target variable is shown in the left picture. And obviously, there is a large quantity gap between the two categories. Therefore, it is necessary to balance the dataset to prevent the imbalance property from the impacting of the robustness and sensitivity of the final model. We choose this mode, which is an oversampling technique to handle the data, and the final target variable distribution becomes 50% each. And eventually the result is shown in the right picture. Now we have to complete the data preparation part and are going to take the modeling step.